Hey everybody, Payments Professor here, and I got some more news for you. And the news that I want to share on this one has to do with Walmart. And Walmart is actually making a big headway towards using more with instant payments. And they're doing it through really pay by bank. I don't know if you're a Walmart app user. I got to say I've used it because a lot of the savings that are involved in it. And I do test all the things that I tell you guys about. When I see these things actually happening in the payments world, I go out and I test them. And one of the things that I have seen is Walmart, and this is actually headlines. I'll share that one of the headlines I saw. I think Payments Dive had a great article about it. Is Walmart's moving to where they're doing more with, again, pay by bank, and they offer this as to their customers because it's a way to avoid a lot of different fees and still have an instant payment if you're using something like the RTP payment network. And Walmart is actually one of those organizations that they have been working to avoid what we call interchange fees that are actually incurred every time a credit or a debit card is used. So I'm not saying we have to avoid using the card networks. I'll admit it. I love my points. It's out there. It's true. Okay. But I do want you to know that the reason I'm telling you about this is it's not so much really to promote Walmart. It's to let you know that we're going to be seeing a lot more as far as instant payment options. I have been telling people for years that instant payments are growing. They are taking off. There is data to support this, and we're going to see more and more, especially as we see things like Walmart, organizations like Walmart now moving to where they're going to make that an option that's easier for their users. I guess for now, though, this is where I'd actually say class dismissed.